In this video, I will show you how to upload PDF to Google Gemini AI. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see, on Google Gemini. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do once you've gone ahead and logged into Gemini is you want to come down to the bottom left-hand corner and you want to actually click onto this gear icon to go into the settings. And on this menu that comes up, you want to go ahead and click onto extensions. Now, from here, you want to scroll down slightly and make sure that you've turned on the switch for the Google Workspace extension. So as you can see by doing this, what you can do is summarize, find, and get quick answers from your own content to fuel your personal journey. So this gives access to things like your Gmail, Drive, and Docs. Now, once you've done that, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and open up your Google Drive, and you want to go ahead and upload your PDF to Google Drive. So I've actually got one I've done, which is on climate change, just here. Now, to go ahead and upload the file, if you've not used Google Drive before, is what you're going to want to do is come up and press the new button just up here, then go on to File Upload, and you can go ahead and upload your PDF. So if we double click onto the PDF, as mentioned, this is just a short article, a PDF about facts about climate change, as you can see. So once that's ready to go, what you're going to want to do is come back to Gemini, and then what you want to do is start a new chat by clicking the plus button just up here. From here, what you can now do is go ahead and type the @ symbol, and then you want to go ahead and select your Google Drive. Now what you can do is use Gemini to basically summarize the PDF. So what you would do is put the following prompt, so summarize this PDF for me. Then you want to put a colon, and then what you want to do is actually put the name of the PDF document. So if we come back to Google Drive, and you can see the climate change one is down here, so it's fast facts - what is climate change. So what you basically want to do is copy the name of the PDF file and paste that into here. Don't need to worry about putting .pdf, you just want to put it like this. And once that's done, you want to go ahead and press the submit button. So by doing this, what's going to happen is Google Gemini is going to access your workspace, and basically it's going to summarize the document for you. So that is how you can go ahead and upload a PDF document to Google Gemini, and of course use the Google Gemini AI tool to summarize the key points of the PDF document. So with that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.